Peace profound and personal power. What's up, guys? My name is D.Mike and I'm the co-founder of Ubuntu Kansas City. And a lot of you guys saw the post a little bit ago about where Michael Tellinger was talking about the new structure of Ubuntu and about the membership program and the fees associated with that. And everybody is asking, how is that going to affect us here at Ubuntu Kansas City? And so we did get a chance to talk to Michael Tellinger very briefly. He has been really busy with all of his site tours and archaeology hunts and all of this, doing amazing things and coming up with some really cool finds that are really helping to help our process and our knowledge of the origins of where money and a lot of the systems that were in place came from. But we are going to have to talk to him a little bit later on because he was running. It's 8 hours ahead there. But how's it going to affect us at Ubuntu Kansas City? And all I can see is just positive things. That's it. I mean, Ubuntu Kansas City is a platform. It's a hub where the coordinators, Katie and I, we utilize it to be able to spread the philosophy and the concepts of Ubuntu and contributionism. And from that point, it's going to be up to us. It's going to be up to the people to take that knowledge and those experiences and actually go and create that for ourselves, to be able to spread that word big enough. So what are the funds going to be used for, and how is it going to affect us? Like I said, all I can see is positive things. It's going to be used to have a more organized central office in Ubuntu. And it's going to be able to use to more effectively be able to exchange communication, knowledge, and ideas between different communities and groups within the structure of Ubuntu. It's also going to be able to help to bring events to the different areas and the different communities where Ubuntu is thriving, where we have a presence, which is going to be really cool for us because we know we have one of the best presences of Ubuntu in the world. I'm just kidding, guys. It's not a competition. It's all about collaboration. But I really feel like we are a beacon here, and so I think it would make sense to be able to hold events here and to be supported by the central office in that structure. So I think it's going to be an amazing thing for us. So I would just say stay tuned and stay involved. And how do you do that is to show up at events. Here at Soul Ascension, we're always having different events and we talk about Ubuntu. We utilize the philosophy and the concepts in almost everything we do. So join our newsletter. You can sign up for that on our website, soulascension.life. I'll put a link to join our mailing list. And then you can stay abreast of everything that we're doing there. They've got events all the time. You guys see Kelly and Lauren and a lot of people are posting about the events down at the Sunday Fun Day and down at the farm. Get involved in those and educate yourself. Get a book. I would suggest you get it here at Soul Ascension. Also, you can get it on Amazon, I believe. The proceeds will go back into keeping our organization alive and thriving. And talk about it. Talk about the experiences and your knowledge about Ubuntu to people who it's going to resonate with. And that's the way that we're going to be able to just keep the momentum going, guys, and be able to continue to every day live closer and closer into deeper and deeper of our dreams. Because that's exactly what we're here about, in creating that abundance. So like I said, just stay involved and get a book and come to our events and keep the momentum rolling. So love and infinite light in unity and resonance.